Over the past decade, more than 5 billion sea stars vanished from the Pacific coast, in one of the largest marine die-offs ever recorded. Now, after years of dead ends, scientists have finally solved the mystery, and their discovery could help restore an entire ocean ecosystem. In 2013, a strange and gruesome disease began wiping out sea stars from Mexico to Alaska. The worst hit was the sunflower sea star, a massive species with up to 24 arms. Within just 5 years, about 90% of them were gone. Marine disease ecologist Alyssa Gaiman recalls, "Healthy sea stars have puffy arms sticking straight out, but with this disease, lesions form, arms fall off, and eventually, the animal disintegrates into goo." Early research pointed to a virus, but it turned out the suspected densovirus was common in healthy sea stars too. Other teams studied dead specimens, but missed critical clues because they lacked coelomic fluid, the liquid that bathes a sea star's organs. The breakthrough came when researchers analyzed fresh samples of that fluid, discovering the true culprit, Vibrio pectinicida, a type of bacteria also known to infect shellfish. This bacterium was found consistently in diseased sea stars and absent in healthy ones. The team confirmed its role through controlled lab experiments, fulfilling what scientists call Koch's postulates, the gold standard for proving a microbe causes a disease. Sunflower sea stars are keystone predators. They control populations of sea urchins, which feed on kelp. With sea stars nearly gone, urchin numbers exploded. In Northern California alone, 95% of the region's kelp forest disappeared within a decade, devastating habitats for fish, sea otters, and seals. Marine biologists call kelp forests the rainforests of the ocean, and their collapse has ripple effects across the entire ecosystem. Now that the cause is known, scientists can test remaining populations for infection and immunity, relocate healthy sea stars to areas that have lost them, breed disease-resistant individuals in captivity for reintroduction, experiment with probiotics to boost immunity against Vibrio infections. This isn't just about one species, it's about rebuilding a balanced coastal ecosystem. If sea star populations recover, kelp forests can regrow, restoring food and shelter for countless other species. After more than a decade of searching, scientists have cracked one of the ocean's most puzzling mysteries. It's a reminder that marine diseases can have massive cascading effects, but also that careful, persistent science can give us the tools to fight back. What do you think? Should we invest more in marine disease monitoring, just like we do for human health? Let me know in the comments.